So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita ang ating account limit sa ating Maya app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Maya app or yung ating Maya account. And make sure guys na naka-login yung inyong account. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa ating pinakang wallet, itap nyo lang yung inyong profile or yung inyong username. And then guys, dito, i-scroll up lang natin dito sa ating settings. And hanapin nyo lang guys yung account limit. So, itatap nyo lang yung account limits. And ayan, dito makikita nyo na yung inyong limit. So, kung makikita nyo guys, sa daily, meron pa akong 100,000 remaining para sa cash in, 100,000 remaining din para sa send money. And sa monthly naman guys, ito yung aking account limit. So, sa monthly guys, ang aking cash in limit is 100,000 din. And sa money out is meron siyang 60 transactions limit. So, ang maximum na guys is 60 transactions. So, sa transfer to bank naman, ang aking limit monthly is ganun din 100,000. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba makita ang ating account limit sa ating Maya. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.